So can I move to the next slide?
Yes.
All right, thank you. So we're still talking about organic. So organic compounds can be divided into two things. The first one is the biodegradable organics, and the second one is the non-biodegradable organic. So biodegradable organic, basically it can easily being decomposed, but the non-biodegradable organics, it's very hard to decompose. Okay, so I have an example of it. So biodegradable organic basically is a food for microorganisms. So if you have so much biodegradable organics in water or even in this water, so the microorganism loves it. It's the food for them. They will eat it with all their heart. Okay, the things that is biodegradable like starch, fat, protein, alcohol, and human and animal waste. Okay, so but the microorganism loves our waste. Non-biodegradable organic, however, is very difficult and it takes more time to biodegrade. So yeah, it is toxic. It's not a food to microorganism, but it's toxic to microorganism, such as pesticide, PVC, and so on and so forth. Okay, so these are the non-biodegradable organic. So what is the effect of having organic in water? Is it good or is it bad? Something that you have to find out. Okay, right. So this is the effect of organics. I believe it's in your notes. So I'll try to draw some diagrams. Okay, imagining that you are near to a river. Okay, so this is a river. So you don't want to have a yellow river. Okay, so change the color first, blue river. Okay, can we change the color? Okay, imagining this is a blue river. The river is blue, and inside the river we have fish. So you have fish inside here, and you may also have prawns. Imagining anything inside of the river, and not only that, you are very unfortunate to have organic compound inside here. This is organic, assuming this is organic, and because of the organic present in the river, and of course another organism is so happy for the existence of that organic. Perhaps people have already throw foods waste inside it. So this is the organic compound. So another microorganism. So I live. This is my microorganism. It's supposed to be smaller than fish. Okay, it should not be the same size like fish. Otherwise, it will not be called as microorganism. So these bacteria love this organic, so they will keep eating the food, keep eating the organics. This is their food. They love it. So once they eat the food, they also will consume oxygen gas. Okay, get diluted in water. So inside water also you have oxygen. Okay, so this is oxygen. So the bacteria will eat organic and utilize oxygen. The more organic you dump into the river, the more microorganism present there will eat very happily and use the oxygen. Okay, it makes the dilution, the dissolved oxygen will be reduced so great. Okay, since the microorganisms are using all the oxygens, so the fish and also the prawn, they also need oxygen for breathing. Okay, so they are in competition of receiving or taking up the oxygen. Eventually the dissolved oxygen will be reduced, will be depleted in the river. Okay, since if once you have depletion in oxygen, that means that the river is no longer a safe place for organism to live, and that's why you'll be seeing that fish will die, prawn or anything will die in the rivers because they no longer have the oxygen. So that will basically affect the ecosystem of the river. Okay, so they are damaging the ecosystem of the river, and then you will see the depletion of the oxygen level since the organic presence. So that is basically the effect of organic. Not only that, these organics believed may be able to react with chlorine, okay, and forming trihalomethane or THM. And THM is known to be carcinogenic. They can cause cancer. Okay, so those are the effect of organic. So we need to get rid of the organic. It seems that the organic effect is quite negative. Therefore, we need to get rid of organic in water.